AI tool could change language in films. A startup company has a tool that it says can recreate lip sync, matching a speaker's lip movement with pre-recorded audio in films. The artificial intelligence or AI tools may change how film producers replace recorded speech in a movie with speech recorded in another language. This process is known as dubbing. Startup Flawless AI, co-founded by film director Conan, has a tool that it says can recreate lip sync without changing the performance of the actors. The tools study how actors move their mouths. It then changes the movement to sync with the replaces or dubbed words in different languages. The result could be that Tom Hanks looks like he can speak Japanese, or Jack Nicholson looks like he can speak French. The idea for the tools came to Nan when he saw how dubbing affected his 2015 film Haste, starring Robert De Niro. "I hate dubbing it as it stands," Nan told readers. He went on to describe the problems that dubbing can create. "You have to change so many things to try and catch in. You are changing words filmmakers and performers have thought about so deeply. They are thrown out to find a different word that fits, but it never really does." He decided to do something about it after some research. He discovers a paper written by Christian Talbot of the Max Planck Institute for Informatics in Germany. The paper lays out the new methods that use artificial intelligence to recreate human visual effects. The tool worked to translate a dino screen in haste. Man said the tool was able to take an old sound from Nero 20 minutes early, then and place that in a different moment in the films. He added, "It measures at the same time and blames it so that the performance is the same, but it is a different mouth movement." Blend is a term that means to make something, often with good results. Flawless AI is now working with producers and studios to use the technology after filming is complete. The first films using the tool are around a year away. Nan believes this technology will help to remove foreign languages categories at a word source. It could create a more open films industry with a real global stage. From a filmmaking point of view, you're going to see the rise of a much more diverse range of stars, he said. Eventually, Nan hopes the technology will be widely accepted. When it is commented, "We are not going to think about it anymore and will just enjoy the movies," he added. I'm John Joshua.